Caterpillar Inc. NYC CAT needs no introduction. It is a global icon. This company is synonymous with heavy machinery. Investors track its every move through its stock, CAT. CAT is a bellwether. It tells us about the health of the global economy. Caterpillar is the world's leading manufacturer of construction and mining equipment. It also produces engines and financial products. The company's distinctive yellow machines are instantly recognizable. They are a testament to Caterpillar's commitment to quality and innovation. CAT's reach is global. From building roads to extracting resources, Caterpillar's equipment is essential. It enables progress across countless industries. The company's impact on the global economy is undeniable. Caterpillar's performance is a key indicator of economic activity. Caterpillar's roots run deep, tracing back to 1925. The company was born from the merger of two tractor giants. Holt Manufacturing Company and CL Best Tractor Company combined their expertise. This merger created a powerhouse in the industry. Innovation has been at the heart of Caterpillar since its inception. The company introduced the first commercially successful track-type tractor. This revolutionized the construction and agriculture industries. Caterpillar played a crucial role in World War II. Its machines helped shape battlefields and support Allied forces. Caterpillar's growth has been marked by strategic acquisitions. These acquisitions have expanded their product portfolio and global reach. Key milestones include the acquisitions of Solar Turbines and Bucyrus International. Today, Caterpillar stands as a testament to American manufacturing prowess. Caterpillar's business model is built on a foundation of manufacturing excellence. The company designs, develops, manufactures, and sells construction, mining, and energy equipment. Caterpillar's product portfolio is vast. It includes excavators, bulldozers, loaders, and engines. Caterpillar's revenue streams are diverse. The company serves a wide range of industries. Construction, mining, and energy are key sectors. Caterpillar also provides financial services. These services support equipment purchases and rentals. Their global dealer network ensures customer proximity and support. Caterpillar's success is driven by a relentless focus on customer needs. The company invests heavily in research and development. This ensures they stay ahead of the curve. Caterpillar is committed to providing solutions that enhance efficiency and productivity. Section 4. The leaders of the Caterpillar's organizational structure. Caterpillar's organizational structure is designed for global reach and operational efficiency. The company is led by a seasoned team of executives. The board of directors provides strategic oversight. Caterpillar operates through a decentralized structure. This structure empowers regional leaders. It allows them to respond effectively to local market dynamics. Caterpillar's key management figures are industry veterans. They bring a wealth of experience to the table. The company's leadership is committed to sustainable growth and profitability. Caterpillar's management team is known for its long-term vision and disciplined approach. They prioritize operational excellence and customer satisfaction. The company's leadership structure ensures stability and continuity. Section 5. Working at the heart of industry. Caterpillar's workplace environment. Caterpillar is renowned for its strong work ethic and commitment to its employees. The company fosters a culture of safety, integrity, and excellence. Caterpillar provides ample opportunities for professional growth and development. Employees are encouraged to innovate and contribute to the company's success. Caterpillar offers competitive salaries and benefits packages. These packages include healthcare, retirement plans, and work-life balance programs. Employee reviews often highlight the company's commitment to diversity and inclusion. Caterpillar strives to create a workplace where everyone feels valued and respected. Caterpillar's strong company culture is a major draw for top talent. The company is committed to investing in its employees' well-being and development. Caterpillar's workplace environment is characterized by teamwork, innovation, and a shared passion for building a better world.